My name is Chris Grollnek, and I'm the founder of the Active Shooter Prevention Project. And as a police officer in 2007, Virginia Tech happened, and I was just coming out of undercover narcotics. So I started studying active shooters for our department. We really thought we knew what active shooters were and how they happen. What it taught me personally was you have to understand that even though you're a first responder, you're not going to be there when it first starts. And now I go forward looking for solutions to actually stop them, not respond to them. And there's an extremely unique difference.
51% of mass shootings happen at businesses, including retail. On average, it takes 8 minutes for first responders to arrive on scene. With Brecourt Solutions Indoor Drone as a first responder, we won't wait. We are first responders on the scene, tracking and distracting the threat so that innocent bystanders can get away. Our drones send real-time video feed and location data to first responders and security teams. Brecourt detects, tracks, and malfunctions weapons. Handguns, rifles, and shotguns are the weapons used most in active shooting events. Brecourt's drones can malfunction these weapons, buying time, saving lives. Seconds matter. We won't wait.